corazón, mi corazón. Te lo dije bien clarito.
Permanece a la escucha. Permanece a la escucha.
We made it. How we feeling?
Welcome to Guatemala.
Nicaragua.
Me gustan los aviones, me gustas tú. Me gusta viajar, me gustas tú. Me gusta la mañana, me gustas tú. Me gusta el viento, me gustas tú. Me gusta soñar, me gustas tú. Me gusta la mar, me gustas tú. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Je ne sais pas. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Je ne sais plus. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Je suis perdu. ¿Qué horas son?
Day 2. Parker lost his passport. Not a good start.
Behind on the volcano thing. We'll make this one.
That's also the jump actually. Yeah, we did it.
We'll move this right now.
It's actually crazy.
Kind of see.
Lots of drama.
Lost his passport.
Day 1, by the way.
We're low on money, so
No, I barely have enough money to make it
we'll see how it goes.
Let's go, boys. We made it. Volcanoes. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
El mejor de la nueva porque me crié en la vieja. Gracias a mami y papi por todos los jalos no real. Nunca me han visto en la calle ni en los podcasts ando quea. Tratan de medir fuerza y no pueden ni en pareja.
We gotta do the hike, man.
Yeah.
The lava. That was a really nice one.
About to go to the ridge line. Parker, you wanna say?
Let's go. Fuego on the way.
Fuego high. Get back at 12. Wake up at 3:45. To the top. Third volcano hike, how you guys feeling?
I'm so tired. Who the fuck missed 3 volcanoes?
Let's go, we did it! Go in front of me. Yeah.
No.
Go in front of me.
Okay.
Surface is the border.
Isn't it just
That was easy. I don't know. We found the passport.
Okay, so
No
we spent another
way.
night in Antigua.
Oh, so we're gonna have to go back to Antigua. We made it to the lake.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, wait. So we made it
dark
to the
alleyway
dock.
right now.
Yeah, we're in a dark alleyway. Made it to the sketchy ass dock. No gracias. No gracias. Yeah, we have a boat.
Private boat.
Yes, private boat.
They're coming right now.
My name is the boat.
No gas.
No gas.
We found a group of people from the hostel to ride with to the boat. We have 12 instead of 4.
I was telling them that, I was telling about the ritual that you have to do in order to get in a piece of visa. Like, you have to strip or dance.
Kyle, how excited are you to get to the...
Sarah and I actually
So excited.
in your tent that they make
So
you
excited.
perform on.
What?
Yes.
It's like a really weird sex hostel, I'm not gonna lie.
No.
You have to perform a strip dance.
Yo,
on the
what?
pole.
How
do you think you get free cerveza?
You think I'm trying to do good deeds?
No.
I just want to sleep.
How do you think you get... Whatever.
Do it!
Breakfast at the hostel looks amazing.
Breakfast. We got some breakfast.
I was gonna say.
If you get 2 balls in the same cup, that's 2 cups away. And
Beer pong USA 2026, let's go, Guatemala.
Let's go. Ready to watch back? Back shot it in. I'm about to get balls back.
Guatemala 2026, let's go. Balls back.
USA balls back.
So we did lose the game.
Alright, we lost.
Second round.
It's okay. These guys are, the Aussies are insane.
Aussies are they're very talented at the game. It's a video, bro. Go Max.
Cause I can take you home. You ain't like them bitches, tell them all adios. Say you can drop your panties, leave them shits at the door. Dior falls on the floor, I swear we've been here before. Trying to see it from my own perspective. You all in my section, trying to come to my session. We rolling up pressure, you know that we flexing. We bought all the bottles, we came with the models, girl, it's a confession. I'm not like your exes, I came in from Texas. And now that we texting, you can fly away now. Now you undressing, pennies on the dresser, your hair getting messed up. The feeling we catching, my love is a blessing. Make love in the Lexus, make love in the Lexus. I know you remember. Tell me it's that deja vu. Cause you want me and I want you. Tell me it's that deja vu. Cause baby it ain't nothing new.
That's dope.
No. Tell me it's that deja vu. Cause you want me and I want you.
This place is sick as fuck.
Tell me it's that deja vu. Cause baby this ain't nothing new.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
You acting reckless.
So cute.
I told you that I need affection. So let me point you in
downtown.
Breakfast on the lake. Biggest cup of coffee I've ever seen. It's a bowl of soup.
Incredible view over here. Oh yeah, and then there's a crab over there. I don't know if you can see it, but super pretty. How you feeling, Jacob? Cheers. Oh.
Solo y triste no. Solo y triste soy culpable. Piensa que un día termino y fuiste tú mi baile inolvidable. No te puedo olvidar, no te puedo borrar. Tú me enseñaste a querer, me enseñaste a bailar.
Volcán de fuego. Sí. Agua antigua.
Ni puedo dormir, lo que hago es soñarte. No te puedo olvidar, no te puedo borrar. Tú me enseñaste a querer, me enseñaste a bailar. Como tú me besabas, como yo te lo hacía, como tú me mirabas, bellaquito me ponía.
Sí, hombre, es que la señal de esa babosada está mala, hombre.
A little lost.
Y ahora mejor, ya voy llegando a Zipacate.
Currently, the map is not working. He does not speak English, and we do not speak Spanish, so. And the maps are not working on any of our phones. So. Camera died, but it was a good ass trip. Met some good people, made some good memories.
Just like,
yeah, bro. You're not gonna. It was a good trip. I got barreled. I got freaking barreled. Show the clip. 3, 2, 1. Oh, show the clip. So, dude, I was just like going down the line. Okay, we're gonna cut to like me going down the line, right? So ready? Me going down the line. Cut. Okay. Me pulling in. Cut. Alright. And me pulling up in the middle. I'm like, cut. Alright, bro. You know I have to edit this. Like. And I make it out. And I was like,
Perk's always trying to make everything take.
I know.
Really cut some barrel clip.
I don't got like barrel clip.
Yeah, in there. Someone's editing
I know. You're like a professional editor. Like someone's gonna edit this shit. Alright, well, it's been a fun ass trip, but.
It's been so sick, guys. Amazing trip.
See you later on the next trip. 3, 2, 1, transition. They're coming right now.
My name is the boat.
No gas.
No gas, yeah.